functional and attractive home office interior designs, an increasing number of people are choosing to work from home. With the advent of technology, especially internet connectivity, working from home is in fact turning out to be a sensible option for many. Most people who choose to work out of their home set up an office before they begin. If you have decided to convert a section of your home into an office, here are some things you should remember. Begin by drawing up a plan on the room you will dedicate for your home office. Remember that a home office should have enough space to accommodate a desk, chair, computer, office supplies and other items you will require. They need to have good flooring, sufficient lighting and power outlets to accommodate all your needs.